Okay, first impressions. Nikki's opening her
I
first
was like,
ever
are you videoing?
Blue Apron box.
I was wondering if I should what's the word? Beef tacos and radish salsa. West African peanut chicken. Mayor lemon. Yep, I don't know what that says. I almost said bucati, but that's not what it says.
Bang on your dead too long.
Bucatini. Bucatini.
My favorite part. Your bag looks smaller than the one that Keisha did.
Is it supposed to be big?
Hers was huge.
She probably asked for seafood and all that stuff. I took all that stuff off.
Yeah. Nikki is not a seafood. Well, she's allergic to seafood.
I don't like
and
it
we
either.
don't really like seafood. My other daughter does.
Everything in the way. So, we got kale. Smells fresh. What is that?
Lettuce.
Butter lettuce. That's just that.
It's fresh.
That's extra fresh. You got the dirt in the bag. That's fresher than what's it called? The grocery store.
Onions.
Scallions.
Scallions.
At least they tell you what's on the package.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fancy. I might have to do one of these when Byron comes. Radishes. Now we're gonna have to
I like radishes.
garlic just chilling in the bag. This is why I was stalking the FedEx man. So this food, we talking about food. Corn tortillas. Keep refrigerating. This is enough for one person. Bucatini pasta. Chives. Beef taco knickknacks.
Oh yeah, open up that. Just make sure you keep the stuff together. But open up one.
Why am I opening up one?
Open it up and look inside. I've actually seen the Blue Apron. This is Nikki's first experience.
Cream fried cheese. French style cultured cream.
Okay.
Okay. I don't like sugar. Oh, because it is. Okay.
Those are the
Chili
knickknacks.
pepper. Nutrition facts. Mexican spice blend. Monterey Jack cheese.
Yeah, but that's the knickknacks. So that's like all the little small ingredients that go in your meal.
What is the sugar for? Come on. Bucatini. I swear I can't say this. Bucatini pasta knickknacks. Peanut chicken knickknacks. More radishes.
I had a feeling I'm gonna be going home with radishes.
A lemon and a lime. Can I keep this?
Yes, you can. It should be. Is there ice pack in it too?
Happy cooking.
Yep, that's the ice pack.
Yo, I'm about to put this in the freezer.
Yeah, I use it in my
It says on here, freeze and use as a long-lasting ice pack.
Yep, I use it over and over. We should have a few of them.
Premium cuts. Premium chicken breast. Yes, because I like chicken. Premium thin sliced beef. Okay. Cheese. Oh, that's rice. I thought it was cheese. I thought it was like Parmesan cheese. That's jasmine rice.
Jasmine rice.
And that's it. And another ice pack.
Well, and that is her Blue Apron open box.
I thought this was enough for 2 people. This is
It
really
is.
for 1 person.
No, it's enough for 2 people. It's enough for you to at least have 2 meals. Okay, so first thoughts.
I mean, it's interesting. This is called a Blue Apron unboxing. It's really not first impressions until you start cooking.
All right. So which one do you think you'd be interested in trying first?
I don't even know.
I think that was just the in between the two. So what's your recipes again before I close this out?
Mare lemon bucatini with marinated radish and butter lettuce salad.
Okay.
Beef tacos and radish salsa. Oh, that's why there's 2 flavors, salsa or radish. And West African peanut chicken with sauteed kale and rice.
All right. So next video, she might be cooking. And I'll see y'all later.